open the box. And it is a, oh, it says Podium Pups. Yes, I know, now we're excited. Okay. Oh, go ahead, Coconut, sorry. Go ahead.
Open it up, Coconut.
Open it up.
Open it.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
wrong way. Oh my goodness, what is that?
What's in here?
Oh, Coconut.
And a monkey.
Here, you want to grab that from her so we can show it to the camera? What is that? Is this little monkey? Ooh, ooh, hold on girls, we gotta cut the tag.
Cutting the BarkBox tag off.
Yes, that way they don't choke on it.
And it looks like, wow! Go get it!
All right, what's next? Oh God, I thought she was gonna bite my fingers. I got nervous.
Next one.
Okay.
Oh, come here, let me take the tag off.
Come here, baby. Coconut, come here.
I'll take the tag off. Wow. Number one.
Oh, sorry.
I participated.
Oh my gosh.
Take it, Cookie, take it. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Coconuts like they're all mine.
I know.
You know what Cookie wants.
Oh yes, we do. You flipped it the wrong way. This is the next one. Oh wait, we'll do your chew. I know she loves those. Here's the next thing. It's a chew. Yes, I know. This is the snack of champions. Look. This is for you, Cookie. Pork recipe, dog treats, the snack of champions again. I love the colors, aren't they bright and fun? We'll go ahead and give them their snacky snacks because they're going a little nuts and don't want to wait, and I understand. Oh God. Cookie, look here, honey.
Cookie.
Cookie, you're a champion. Sit, 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 sit. Stay. Beautiful.
Bella's so relaxed.
Let me see Bella. Bella. How cute. Now we gotta get Coconut. Now you're the champion.
It fits her the best.
Oh, Coconut, you look so cute. Oh gosh. All right, everybody needs to sit. Sit, sit, sit. Did she get it off? The metal.
Coconut, you gotta sit. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ah.
And we're moving the face.
Like a shark. Don't bite hers. Ah.
Tackle, we gotta wear shoes.
Okay,
Yeah.
sit. You gotta sit on your butt. Sit.
Good
Sit, sit,
girl. Everybody sit. Sit on your booties. Good girls.
right there.
Coconut, where are you going?
Sit. I like how they keep inching closer.
Look at the size of that.
That looks
I'll
like
have to break it. It looks like
chocolate.
or jerky. That's what I was thinking. Oh, I love all three of you so much. Coconut, sit, baby.
Cookie, Cookie.
Was that yummy? Did you enjoy
Okay,
that?
wants a banana. She loves banana. Coconut.
Does she really?
Yeah.
Aw.
Good job, Bella.
Stop. You're gonna make it obvious. I brought you here because I got you what you wanted. You ready to see what you wanted? Act like nothing happened. Nothing happened.